Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how I was able to create those rose colored nails with the one chrome nail using iGel Beauty's La Rosa and Chrome On. So here we're just going to start with a clean slate. I've already prepped the nail, I've filed the nail, and we're just going to go in with our clear coat to begin with. It just helps protect the nail from any of those darker powders so it doesn't stain the natural nail, and it also helps you build up a nail. So I'll let y'all watch that and I'll be back. Now that we've completed our clear bottom coat, now we're going to go in with that color La Rosa by iGel Beauty. And once you see me take this lid off, you'll see how pretty this color is. Look how pretty that is. It's like a pinkish mauve rose color. It is so pretty. I did my sister's nails I guess a few weeks ago, and she also picked this color, and it just looks so pretty on her. So I'm gonna do 2 coats of this, and then I'll show you the Chrome On color that I do on my ring finger, and once that step is complete, I'll be back again. Just gonna jump in here and mention if you do get that base coat and the powder too close to the cuticles, you can just take any wooden nail stick or anything like you just saw me using to just kind of clean up around that cuticle area. And it also helps when you're filing or e-filing to have that little space in there. So I'll let y'all keep watching. Hey again, so what did y'all think of the chrome on dip powder? I think it's so cool, that silvery glittery look. It's one of my favorites from iGel. So now we are just going to go over our dip powders or our dip colors with our clear, just to cap those. That way when we're filing, we're not taking off any of our color we just put on. So again, I'll let y'all continue to watch and I'll jump back in. Now all of our dipping is done, so here comes my favorite part. We're going to activate our nails with the activator. It looks so cool. Should be some of those, satisfying videos, just watching people put activator on their dip nails. I'm sure there's videos out there like that. I just haven't come across any yet, but yeah, I usually do 2 coats of activator just to make sure the nail gets thoroughly soaked. So now I've waited a couple minutes before I actually start to file, because you want to make sure that activator is thoroughly soaked in and it's dried. That way you're not, messing up your nails at all. Here I'm just going to show you how I file the sidewalls and just kind of reshape the nail, because when you do dip it, it does, mess up the shape a little bit. So you just want to clean that back up. I am going to e-file off camera, but here I'm just showing you kind of how I go in with the regular file first. I am right-handed, so you can see that instead of moving the file, I'm actually moving my fingers. And for me, I find it easier instead of moving the file with my left hand, because I'm not very good with my left hand. I just move my right hand to kind of do that filing. But again, I'll e-file off camera and I'll be back. I think I accidentally forgot to record me doing my top coat as well, but I'll be back when it's time to do the cuticle oil. So here you can see I do have my top coat on. So I did forget to record doing my top coat, but you can use any top coat that you want. You can use a gel top coat or whatever kind of top coat you want to use. And of course you always want to use cuticle oil afterwards to help those cuticles, because we have been messing with them quite a bit. So it just helps to restore your cuticles. Alright y'all, so that's it. That's La Rosa in Chrome On by iGel. Hope y'all enjoyed this. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. Thanks y'all. Bye.